Hello, my name is Scott, and I run Scott Evan Media, and we are a digital marketing agency. And I came across your website, and I wanted to shoot this short little video for you to give you some tips based on what I've seen to help you gain more customers through your site. And that's what we do. Here at Scott Evan Media, we help small businesses like yours get traffic going to your website, and therefore more customers calling your phones and using your services. So I just wanted to show you a couple things here real quick to help you get started in getting your site ranked higher in Google so that people can find it more easily and get you more business. That's what we want. We want to get you more business. So one of the first couple things that I look at are your H1 and H2 headings. Now these headings are the first thing that Google sees and Google looks at to be able to determine where to rank you or where to position you in a search based on what is your website about. Like what is relevant about your website in comparison to what somebody is searching for. So I use this little tool from rankdaddy.com to look at your H1 and H2 tags. Now these are on the back side of your website here, and you don't have any. I put your URL in here and it tells me that you do not have any. If you fix this here and you do something along the lines of like this is roofing and gutters, roofing repair in McKinney, Texas, like really be specific about what your description is in these headings, Google's really going to start to rank you already and automatically. And another thing that I use is a tool by RankDaddy to look at your metadata. Your metadata are your titles. So your title here right now says Home New Leaf Roofing. All right. We want that to be specific to what your services are. Obviously, we can leave the new leaf on there, roofing. But what city are you in? Like, where are people going to be searching for? So when I did a search for roofing contractors in McKinney, Texas, I found you on page 2, but we want you to be on page 1. And as I tell you, 95% of people, they never leave page 1. They're going to find exactly what they're looking for right on these top 3 to 5 to 6 titles here. So that metadata that we're looking at here is a Home New Leaf Roofing. That's these blue lines here. And we want it to be specific. So you look at some of the top ones here, that Dallas Roofing Replacement and Repair. It's very specific to what people are searching for. Now these keywords that I put in here, like these are what people search for, right? So you can do McKinney. I'm in McKinney and I want a roofer. So McKinney roofers. Anything along those lines. So dozens and dozens of keywords that we can do and you can be ranking for, which is awesome. And you can rank on all of them. So no matter if somebody just does roofing or roof contractors or McKinney roof repair or whatever, we can rank you higher so that no matter what people search for, they're going to see your website. And that's the idea. We want you to be on page 1. In addition to that, we also can really help you to get here in these maps. If I came to the website and I looked, oh, well, there's this one right here. Well, maybe I could click on that one. That's exactly what I'm in McKinney and I want roofing. Well, let's see what that's all about. You know, people are going to click on those too. Not as much as organic leads, or organic websites. But still, it's there. It's right there in your face. And we want you to be there. So those are a couple of things that we do with our SEO package as a digital marketing agency. And we really love to work with you and help you out on that. So if you fix those couple things, the header and your metadata right off the bat, you're going to see yourself bump up in Google's eyes. And I'm going to leave my information for you down at the bottom or in this email. And I hope to hear from you. We would love to work with you. We love to help out the community. I'm a small business owner, and we want to help out small businesses. So we want you to have more business. Again, my name is Scott, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.